We're here in southern New England at a very special property, doing boxwood renovation, which is part of a larger master plan renovation, revitalization, updates. So boxwood here looks like it was vigorously sheared and then probably not sheared. So it's opened up, and this overhead tree canopy shade and probably snow damage, snow load. And this is a key component. These are a topiary element in this auto court area. And their size varies quite a bit, from about nearly 5 feet tall and 6-7 feet wide. Some of the smaller ones are closer to 4 feet by 4 feet, or 4 feet tall by 5 feet wide. So what we did is, first plant we identified as a good template, and that plant is about, we're going to prune it back to where it's about 4 feet by 4 feet, roughly, maybe even a little shorter. And then the other plants are going to roughly follow that. Now the grade changes slightly, so we'll account for that. So the overextended branches, we're very carefully going through and reducing the overextended branches, encouraging sunlight, all hand thinning. And then once that's done, you can see all these clippings. Then we'll do some hand shearing to shape. Not a hard shearing, but more or less cutting back the tips that remain, trying to leave about 50% of the new growth. So if there's 6 inches of new growth, we're just taking out about 3 inches of green and leaving 3 inches of green. So the plant's vigorous and do lots of photosynthesizing, producing energy for the future.